Welcome to Google Apps 101. This course is designed to give you a few tips on how to use the Google Apps and some of the things that we're going to be doing a lot in science this year. Now, most of you are probably familiar with the Google Apps like Google Docs and Google Slides. We will be using them all the time this year, so I wanted to just review it with you shortly. Now, if you haven't used Google Apps before, I want to reassure you that they're very, very similar to their Microsoft counterparts. So Google Docs is very similar to Word, and Google Slides is very similar to PowerPoint. However, there are a few very important positives to Google Docs, or reasons why you should choose them over their Microsoft counterparts. One is that they save automatically. Now, this is probably my favorite part. Once you do something, they save, no more worries about computers crashing and losing all your work. Two, they're available anywhere you have the web. So you don't have to put it on a USB drive or email it to yourself. You just log in from anywhere you have the internet. And three, they're collaborative. So more than one person can work on a document or a slideshow at any given time. Okay, let's get you started on how to get this course completed. First thing you should have is this document in front of you. If you don't, please make sure that is open at this time. Now, this document is my document. I've restricted it so that you can look at it, but you can't do anything to it. What you need to do is now make a copy so that it is your document. In order to do that, you need to make sure that you are logged in. In this, you do need to be logged into your school Gmail, not a personal Gmail. So if you note here, you can see that I'm logged in, jennifer.booz@g.kpbsd.org. If you forgot what your school Gmail is, it is your first name dot your last name at g.kpbsd.org. Once you're logged in, you should be able to access everything from there. Now what you need to do is go ahead and head over here to the File tab. When you click File, you should see Make a Copy. Now if this is grayed out, that means you are not logged in to your school Gmail. So go ahead and click Make a Copy, and it's going to default to Copy of and whatever the name of the document is. I want you to change that to something that is unique to you. So I want you to change it to your name. So I'm just going to do Jennifer Booz. And then I want you to put the name of the assignment. So this is Google Apps 101. And you can do spaces and everything, and that is fine. So once you make a copy and create your own name for the document, go ahead and click OK. And you'll see that this automatically opens a new document, and then this document should be available for you to edit. So you can see up in this corner here, mine says editing. Go ahead and close the original document. This is my document. Go ahead and close that. So now you are working only in your document here with your name on it. Now complete the rest of the instructions. Good luck.